Well, hello everyone. Hey, haven't made a video I think since spring golfer season. So I thought I have this project I'm doing. I never did it before, but I thought, oh, I should videotape this just in case I have a problem putting everything back together. Thought I'll just get this. I should videotape this. So that's what I'm doing. I have a 2003 Polaris Sportsman's Twin, and a sandalwood blowed a head gasket on it. A couple weeks ago I used this to hook my grass catcher on and put it in the back, collect the grass in the yard. And well, I was doing it and all of a sudden steam started flying out this side and everything. So well, I must have blew the head gasket. But anyway, you can see there's some oil here. I don't know if that's from, there's some right here. I think that's from when it blew. So I'm pretty sure that's what it is. I've been watching some videos on YouTube. It don't seem that complicated if you don't get right down and tear the whole engine apart, which I don't have to do. So I thought, well, I'd better get the camera and videotape this so I know how it gets back together. But anyway, I started getting the plastics off of it. Thanks to Two Advantage on YouTube. I've been watching a lot of his. He does a lot of repairs and stuff like that on four-wheelers and bikes, and so I'm watching the heck out of his videos. Well, I can do that. I'm mechanically inclined. I just never did anything like this. So I thought I'd give her a shot. Now I don't have that, there's not that much. It runs, it does run for sure. It's got 300, it's not, don't have that many, 620 hours maybe, I guess. I don't know how many miles is on it. 2004, I guess it is. So it's not really that high for 2003. It runs good. Never did much to it except for put a carburetor on it a couple of years ago and some new manifolds. So anyway, we're going to get into this. Like I said, I just started taking the plastics off of it. Had to go up and get some more tools. I knew I wouldn't have everything down here, so. But I'm down here underneath the picnic area. That's where I have it parked, so I thought, hey, it's outside, nice and cool. Well, it ain't cool, it's hot. But so I'm going to get busy on this, and I'll get back to you at certain times and let you know the progress. So till then, wish me luck. Well, I got all the plastics off, got the gas tank out. I think all I gotta do is a little disconnect in here. Carburetor. And I'll be ready to take the busy on the head there and get her out. So making progress. Worst part I had so far is getting these doggone springs out of this exhaust pipe. Them things are a heck of a thing. I don't know if they make a special tool for them or what. I got one of them off. The other one gave me a little bit of a fit. So I said, well, I'll get you tomorrow. So anyway, I'm on the road. I got all the parts stored over there in my trailer. And gonna give it a break today, I think. Everything's going not too bad so far. Gas tank was a little bit rough to get out, but I just took the whole kit and caboodle off instead of taking the lines off of the gas cock there. So I think we're on the road, so we got a good start. We'll be back at her tomorrow, so until then, later. Well, everyone, Well, it's the next day and I'm down here fiddle-diddling around with the Sportsman 700. I just took this foot thing off of here, or whatever you want to call it, I don't know. But I'm just gonna fiddle-diddle around here till parts get here. I ordered a head gasket and stuff for it, so it's not supposed to be here till Monday. I brought some water down. I wanted to fill up the radiator to see what the radiator is full. It didn't take much, but look at that. Get the oil in it. Look at that. That is nasty looking. So there's definitely a problem there going on somewhere. I'm going to bring those rags. We got one here somewhere, I think. Yeah, Bill. That thing just filled with oil, so you definitely got a problem. And I'm pretty sure it's a head gasket, so. But I got her all tore down as much as possible, but I think I need to. I wanted to get this guard off because I wanted to get this off this radiator hose in, drain this bad boy. As you can see, I'm putting all the screws and stuff back in where I got them when I take them out, because I don't want a big pile of screws laying around here and I don't know where they go. So, and the other problem I'm having is with these, I've replaced these donuts in here before. These springs are a heck of a thing to get off of there. I got to get one more off there yet, and I can dismantle this, I think, and get it out of the road anyway. I don't need to, but I'm gonna replace the gasket stuff up there in the header. Put a new carburetor on this thing last year, and new manifolds. I don't know if I just discussed that or told you that or whatever, but I did. So that there's full brake fluid. Yep, brake fluid's full. This machine's in pretty good shape for the year it is, you know. It's 2003, so that would make it, what, 22 years old? Yeah, it's not bad shape at all. I think when I bought this, it was 3 years ago. I got it, had a plow with it. I think I paid $2,700 for it or something like that. Not sure, but it was in pretty good shape, so that's why I thought, yeah, let's pick that up. But you're bound and determined to have some problems. This back tire here keeps going flat on me, and I sprayed it one day and it's leaking out around the rim here, so I gotta get that off. But since I got this all apart, I'm just gonna go through it, see what it needs, get it, put it in, and be good to go. So get her cleaned up a little bit and shined up, get her taken care of. But there's nothing in that, so I don't think they're supposed to be. The oil, yeah, it's kind of clear now, but if you got her started, she'd get milky. All the water's laying down there in the bottom right now, I'm sure. So, but next, I got a compression kit up there. I think I'm gonna come down, bring it down, take the plugs out, see what I get for compression. It's not gonna hurt it any more than it already is, I'm sure, to see if there is any, see what kind of compression I do have in it. So I don't know if I'll do that today, or I got a while here before I have to really rip into it. There's my fuel tank vent. Might have to get a new one there for that. That's all ripped up. But that's about what we're up to right now. So I decided just to get this head off of there. I don't want to let it out here in the weather with the rain and stuff opening, and I'll just keep it closed. It won't take no time to get that off of there and do what I got to do. So we'll wait till that head gasket and stuff that set comes and worry about that. But boy, I can't believe that. Look at that. That's nasty. Gee. I was worried about maybe the water pump over here, the seals in it being bad. Maybe that's why it's so oily too. But since I had seen the steam coming out that side over there on the opposite side, I figured it was probably a head gasket. So it's at least going to get that, and then we'll check this out later, and after we get that all back together, and then we'll check out and see what's going on. But till then, this is how it's going to be. So just follow me along. It's going to be a day-by-day process, so stay with me, and we'll see what happens now. As I told you, I'd never done anything like this before. I'm doing it, it's just a DIY thing, just to see if I can get her done and do it. So if you got any comments of what I should be doing or anything like that, hey, I'd be happy to hear them. So stick around. We'll see what happens here. Get to we get this all done and put back together, and hopefully we got a running machine like brand new. So stick with me. So we'll catch you later.